Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Modern Warfare 2 and immediately signing into the profile that owns the campaign. Once done, make sure the base game and any campaign packs are fully installed and updated. The menu won't show options until installation completes. If prompted, accept necessary licenses and allow background downloads. You're now ready to move from startup into the game's main menu, where the next actionable choice appears. From the main menu, you select Campaign or Single Player. This is the transition from menus to actual play. You should pick your difficulty, which affects enemy behavior and objective hints, and confirm any available prologue or tutorial mission. If the campaign entry is grayed out, check for remaining downloads or DLC activation. Otherwise, choose New Campaign or continue to load your save. Progression settings and accessibility options can be adjusted before you start the first mission to match your preferred pacing. You begin the campaign by launching the first mission. Once in, verify control bindings and display settings so gameplay feels right. If your save files or campaign access are missing, make sure Cloud Sync is enabled and that you're signed into the same account that purchased the content. If problems persist, restart the game and the platform, then check for pending updates and revalidate game files. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.